Alright guys, 2013 Hyundai Equus. If you want to replace the lights up in the trunk here, what you've got to do is you've got to pull this rubber strip that runs along the top of your trunk. There's two clips here on either side. You got to unclip them. Here's the second one. And then there's two bolts here and here on that baggage hanger on this piece. Loosen those. This panel will come down enough for you to get access. And then on here, you'll press this little clip in that allows the entire unit to fall down. It's gonna have this black piece in it like this way. This whole thing will come out, and then the connector looks like this. You need to press that part that says lamp down. That'll allow you to slide it out. Then when you want to get access to the bulb, you have this black piece. You need to press those two clips in. I used a knife and I just went down on the side, pushed one in, pried it up, second side came up. This is the bulb. So mine are pretty dim. I'm gonna replace them. I'm sure there's a number on it. Actually, yeah, there is. Let's see. It says KHA 12 volt 5 watt, KHA 12V 5W2, and then it has two more letters after, BC. So if you're looking to replace these lights, that's how it is, and then just reverse order to put it back together.